Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine it's been over a decade since Mazda first launched the CX-5 back in 2013, and today we're looking ahead to what promises to be the biggest leap yet, the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5. This next-generation compact SUV is expected to debut globally between July and September of 2025, before rolling out in the US as a 2026 model toward the end of the year. Think of it as Mazda's response to the ever-tighter competition in the segment, blending the brand's signature driving dynamics with the efficiency of a self-charging hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 is rumored to introduce Mazda's in-house hybrid system, paired with its upcoming Skyactiv Z 4-cylinder engine. You'll likely see combined outputs north of 250 horsepower, with electric assist smoothing out torque delivery and boosting fuel economy into the mid-30s mpg range. For driving enthusiasts, Mazda may even offer a mild-dual hybrid variant to deliver sharper throttle response without sacrificing efficiency. On the outside, expect a bolder, more sculpted visage. Spy shots suggest a larger, square O mesh grille flanked by slimmer, swept-to-back LED headlights that give the front end a more upright presence. The profile looks to be both longer and wider than today's model, with a subtly raised hedgeline and more pronounced wheel arches. At the rear, you'll find updated taillights with crisp LED graphics, dual exhaust outlets neatly integrated into a redesigned bumper, and a sleek roof-mounted spoiler for just the right sporty touch. Inside, Mazda appears poised to step up the tech game. Reports point to a bigger touchscreen, likely 12 inches or more, complete with standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. True to Mazda's love of tactile controls, a chunky rotary knob should remain for non-touch functions, while premium materials like real wood trim and soft-touch plastics will elevate the cabin feel. Rear passengers can look forward to improved legroom and a redesigned center console offering more storage and USB-USC ports. So what about price? While official figures haven't dropped yet, industry insiders predict a starting MSRP around $32,000 for the base hybrid-powered sport model. Mid-range touring and grand touring trims could land in the $37,000 to $40,000 bracket, while the flagship signature trim might flirt with $45,000 once destination charges are added. All told, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is shaping up to be a compelling blend of performance, efficiency, and premium touches. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that still knows how to drive, this could be the one to watch. I'll catch you in the next video.